everyone. My name is Liz Lee, and I am the youth librarian here at the Punta Gorda Charlotte Library. And I will be sharing a lovely book with you in our virtual story time. This one is titled One Dark Bird, written by Liz Garton Scanlon, illustrated by Fran Preston Gannon, and I have permission from Simon & Schuster Publishing Group to share this book with you. Here we go. One dark bird, perched way up high, a view of town, a taste of sky. Two birds more come winging by, then three, then four, flights multiply. Five more swoop around a cloud, warble, whistle, join the crowd. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With a cat there in the corner. 6 soar brightly, 7 sweep, 8 will sing the sun to sleep. Then 9, then 10, from who knows where, till startling sounds fill up the air. 100 here and there, fine feathered friends with sky to spare. But suddenly they're all alert, dangers near, and flights divert. There's the hawk. They wheel away from hunting hawk, single birds become a flock. Waves like water, dark then light, from down to up, then left to right. A rush, a murmur out turns in, a dot to dot, a corkscrew spin. Flapping fervor, noisy clutch, they dance together without touch. Until it's over, falls apart, each flies alone, like at the start. Hundreds here, and then, good night, they fly away with evening's light. Till just a few float loose and free, 10 birds settle in a tree. 9 land here, and 8 dive there, 7 swing in still, sweet air. 6 sing softly, 5 just sigh, 4, then 3, then 2, goodbye. One last bird, perched way up high, a view of town, a taste of sky. The end.